In this video I'm going to show you how to download the game Dead by Daylight on your PC. So what you need to do is open your Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel and like the video to see more content like this. Now once you have done this, we can quickly search up this game at Steam before we will continue to another website to download this game. Now quickly search up the game and search for Dead by Daylight. Once you have done this, we will click on the game. Now once you have scrolled down, you will find out that this game on Steam is €19.99. But don't worry, we have a little workaround to save yourself even more money on downloading games online. Now what you need to do is go to the video description and click on the link where it says find game here. Then you will be redirected to this page, and here we are going to search for the same game, Dead by Daylight. The next step is to select games on the left side, then sort by price lowest first, and once you have done this, scroll a little bit down till you will find Dead by Daylight for the PC. Now as you can see, this is a PC version which can be activated in our country, so make sure this text is marked green, otherwise it won't work for you. Once you have found a version which works for you, then open it. And as you can see, we open now the game page and we can already download this game for just €7.63 compared to the Steam price of €19.99. This will definitely save you a lot of money while downloading games legally online. So what you now need to do is purchase this game, and after that you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including an activation key for Steam or a completely new legit Steam account to download this game on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye!